Can I help you?
Why, yes, you can. I'm here to report a terrible crime.
And what terrible crime is that?
This one.
Now she wanna call me asking favors. Still I'm on the hunt for different flavors. While my mind is here deciding right or wrong. Did I mess up all along? Roll up looking through my older pictures. Bitches buzzing on the phone for me or just my riches. Now I get suspicious, all from being so ambitious. Now I see the circle vicious. Searching for satisfaction, only getting a fraction of that feeling. And it's fucking up my intuition. Now they wanna steal. Was a nigga only loyal as their last meal. Got a $500,000 stacking on my last deal. And they wonder why I'm paranoid. Cause they jump man just to get that jump man. Damn, I'm on red alert. Now she went up in the dirt, man. I don't wanna hurt, man. Nah, I don't wanna hurt. Champagne popping how I wanna let it rain.
Hi guys, this is a bit late for the Birds of Prey. I did do a bit on Carson's channel. I'm glad to just be able to show you all of it. But quick summary, I think it was quite good. Good movie. I'm going to be ranking the DC movie soon. I'll review a Sonic, well, I would say tomorrow, but obviously, as it took me nearly a week to upload this, soon, I guess. So, yeah, and me and Carson are doing a competition. If you think Justice League's a good movie, comment yes or no. Easy. And I'll see you in the next video.
The February 7th, and it was a release date for Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of One Harley Quinn. Fortnite had the skin out, as it still is. I bought it the day of the movie. You know, it's quite a good bundle. I've got them all, so, you know, I've got Batman and all, so I think we're going to jump into duos and play that. Cody's in, he just doesn't like want to be thingy's held. And are we ready to do duos then?
Aye. Do you have what's up?
Aye, let's just talk about the movie. So basically this is going to get into spoiler territory, so if you haven't seen the movie then just see it.
Are we doing spoilers straight away?
No, we're going to see what the story is. That's basically what we do, is we're going to explain what the story is.
No, I know, but like, can you not just say it's good first then go to spoilers?
Nah.
Wait, why is my...
So basically, the... basically the kinda... it's kinda like the story of Birds of Prey is quite good. It's basically Harley Quinn is seeking emancipation for, you know, being Harley Quinn. She's broke up with the Joker, and she's working with these other people that hunt Trace, Black Canary, and Renee Montoya, help her pickpocket Cassandra Cain, get out the sight of Roman Sionis, aka Black Mask, and Victor Zsasz. It's actually, it's better than Suicide Squad, and it's not hard to do. I remember the first time seeing Suicide Squad, I feel like the more you see it, like when you see Suicide Squad, you can easily tell at the first time it was like, no bad, it wasn't the best, but it's no bad. Then, the more you look at it, you're like, nah, it's no.
You loved that film?
I thought it was alright. I've got to admit it. I've got to say Birds of Prey was better because it's better to understand it and that, and it's just a better film, and you know, better acting and that, better CGI and stuff like that. It was really good. It's a lot of fun. Ryan, what do you think about it?
No, it was quite good. It was a lot of fun at the cinema. Yeah, I'd agree. Obviously, it was not. I've read a couple of Birds of Prey comics. It didn't feel like a Birds of Prey movie. It felt like a Harley Quinn movie. But I think it was an experiment to see if the Birds of Prey would work. But if it was, then I think it would work.
It feels like a Harley Quinn solo movie, but it doesn't really want Harley by herself, because I feel like they're trying to make the DCU a lot better than that, and I think by going for that 15 rating, they've done that because it gives them a bit more freedom.
What you were saying, I think the 15's pretty good to give them a lot of freedom. It feels like it was Harley Quinn speaking, and the film definitely good film.
What would you give it out of 10?
A 6.
How a 6?
Again, a 7 actually. Yeah, I'm going to give it a 7. I think 6 is a bit too low. A 7. It's a really good movie, but it could be. I don't know.
I feel like it lacked Huntress.
I think the Joker could have been involved in it as well. I was watching Suicide Squad last night. I don't really get how the Jokers broke up with Harley Quinn, as they were locked in a stable relationship, and like Joker kind of risked his life to save her. I don't know how in a couple of months she's just been funny to do.
I feel
So
like I
don't get
understand Suicide Squad now, because there were lovesick puppies there, and that's not really what it's like. And knowing this movie, it's been a few years after Suicide Squad and Joker's kicked at the curb, there's no more uses for her, and I feel that it's finally going in the comics. Harley's finally getting the emancipation she deserves.
But the other thing I don't like is Black Mask literally had like his mask on for like 2 minutes in the whole film. I think he should have got more time for his mask on for a fight.
I feel the biggest issue was that there wasn't enough Huntress. Like, you could see in the trailers, Huntress was supposed to be played up as this kind of woman that's supposed to be the same kind of manner as Harley Quinn. She's going to take up a lot of the movie, but in total she got about like 10 minutes screen time. I feel like the screen time between all the girls in it wasn't really shared equally, if you get what I'm at.
Yeah, but again, it was more focused. A lot of people did want to know what happened to Harley Quinn, so. But right enough, I can see your point. We were going to see what happened in Suicide Squad anyway, so.
Suicide Squad,
yeah.
I feel just.
No, I mean number 2. We were going to see what happened to it anyway, so.
Suicide Squad was a film that pushed too much in who it's got. Oh, we've got Margot Robbie, we've got Harley Quinn, we've got Margot Robbie now, we've got Will Smith. Whereas this movie, it's more or less like, there we go.
Again, I know we're complaining quite a lot about the films. They're just wee things. It is still a really good film, and I do like the way DC's taking their films now, especially big improvements in Suicide Squad, Batman v Superman and Justice League. They were all terrible movies. I like the way they're taken now for the DCU.
I thought Justice League was in the middle. It's a good movie.
No, it's not.
We've all got opinions, right?
Right, I'm gonna get my call. I'm probably take a bit of your live stream, obviously, because you're meant to be in my one, but it's been something happened. I'm gonna get my comments to see what's better.